there was a big plan of me right there. Was not so beautiful. I mean, hi guys. Hope everyone is well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jean-François, Crypto Mercy channel. Thanks for helping me. A lot of comments. I appreciate that. It's helping a lot. People are asking me to make different analysis on different assets, which is very nice. And for sure, I will try to make a couple of video this weekend on this. Right now, just want to, like every week, sometimes every day, make an update on what's going on with Elrond. What we are seeing right now, I'm just going to show you the bearish chart because I want to show you a bearish scenario for Elrond, even if you don't want to see it. It's always good to bring both scenario to figure out to be prepared if Elrond is going on the other side. Let's take a look at this. Right now, what we are seeing is that the 0.85 fib at 194 gave us some problems. And congratulations if people took some profit. We made the call around 192 on the top of the weekly Bollinger Band. And you see this fib right there was hit 2 times, rejected 2 times, which is... not bearish, but I mean we can see that there is a rejection for now right there. Elrond is not ready to fly right away. Is it because this will be the wave 5 or the end of this small wave 3? Let's take a look here. 1, 2, 3, which 4 will be there, or 3, 4 will be there. You understand what I mean? This might be the small wave 5 double top rejection 2 times on the 0.85, and we retrace to 166. Okay, just want to show you this because it's clearly, it's very important to see that the 0.85 fib is not a fib that I like so much, because usually in between 0.85 and the golden pocket, even the 0.5 usually is there's a lot of resistance up there. Like you can see here, we had many resistance, many wick, many rejection. But this coincides sometimes with a B wave, which is a bigger B wave. You see, Meta example, we have the A wave there, B wave there, and C. And I don't think right now that it's too early to tell. But we need to be open to this possibility. And anyway, I will come back on this scenario later with you guys. All right. Just want to show you, I found some correlation to around, you see my red line right here. We have the 61.8, we have the 100 fib from the orange impulsive right there, and we have the 100% fib from the main wave, which is in which is this one here, this main wave from the last bottom we had around 66.50, I think, $66, something like this. Yeah, let me just check to tell you the real price. Yes, 65.60. Right here, what we must understand is that it's possible that we find the N a fifth wave, I mean the end of this blue impulsive right here. But where is going to end? Is it already done for it, or is it going to continue? Okay, this can be only a small wave, and we have this possibility that this wave will be another first wave with a second. You know, it's possible that Elrond is playing this card right now, but nothing confirmed now. For now, I still think that this blue wave will finish around here, around 227. This is what I think, or a little bit lower. I mean, it can be in between 208 and 213. But this will be a nice target for a wave 3, and this is what I'm looking for now. It's too early to, you know, just count everything and be able to find is this a small wave 3, this is a small wave 5. What we can try here is to figure out you see right now it will be around. I'm not you know, putting my things exactly at a good place, but this is probably the end of the wave 3 of this small wave 3 here. But it can go higher, and anyway, if I take this year, just want to be sure. Sorry for that. All right, right there. Okay. Top, bottom. Okay, you see small wave, and probably the top of wave 3 in blue, but it can be higher too. It's why it's too early to figure out. But I found some correlation that I want to show you, which I like. This we're gonna do it together. This way you understand a little bit more those correlation. We have this main wave in yellow, and we want to find out the probable target for those this wave 3, the main wave 3. Okay, we are let's put the Fibo like this, the extension Fibo, and let's go inside the orange one, which is the intermediate wave. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in orange, the resistance in orange. This way we can figure out probable destination for this wave, and there we go. All right. Okay. Let's put it before, because it should end before. We try to find out correlation, and here you can see that we have a correlation right there. It's why we are having so much resistance right now up there. In short term, we need to break 199, 191 to go higher for sure, and we have to break this 0.85 fib that I just showed you before, right there. Okay, 194. There's a bunch of resistance up there, and if we can break this, I don't think it will be a problem after that to break out and make a new ATH for Elrond, for the Egold. Right now, what we must understand is that this wave, this impulsive, is in construction, and we will try to find this wave 3, the destination of this wave 3. Okay. If we try to connect and make some correlation, even let's imagine that this wave three, this main wave three will end at 253 right there. Okay, we must understand that in a logical way, this wave three must end somewhere before, and we're gonna have a retracement, and we're gonna end this wave 5, the intermediate wave 5 of this main wave. Okay, it's why we must understand this, and we must understand that this wave 3 has a probable target 2 of 261, and main wave can go to 361.82, around 456. The things that we must do right now is try to find the best correlation as possible. And I'm just gonna put my Fibo for the main wave to be sure again on target right here. Okay. It's always need to be very precise to try to find some correlations. Just want to tell you that Elrond is in a fairly strong uptrend for now, and even if I will present you a bearish scenario for now, Elrond is in a good, strong trend, an uptrend, and I'm going to show you why. But this is starting to be a little bit long here. I mean, and for sure we need to be patient, because this was probably a wave 2 retracement, super cycle wave 2, and a wave 2 can take a lot of time to bring back some momentum and to push the price higher. All right. All right. Okay. If we take a look at this this wave, intermediate wave here, we can see that the 161.8 is a probable destination. If we are going to up there, we need to figure out, you know, where wave 3 can end. If we are if we are retracing a wave 4 right now, we must understand that the wave 5 here is gonna have to be powerful. I mean, to go up there, and I don't think it's really possible. You see, it's a lot of road to, and usually wave 3 are much longer. It's why the logic is telling us that this wave 3 is gonna end there. If this wave 3 is gonna end there, let's go on this minor wave right here and try to find a correlation. We see correlation right here. I'm gonna let this those Fibos right there, and I'm gonna choose let's green colors. Okay, and we're gonna trace 5 wave here in green. Okay, this way we see a little bit better. Okay, we see a correlation with this orange wave, which is the intermediate. We see correlation here. That's why we are struggling right now. There's 3 Fibos, 3 extension Fibos at the same place, which they are giving resistance. We see a great correlation right here, and a correlation right there. Okay, this is resistance up here. Here we go. It's why we are struggling right now, because there we can see all this those three, two 100 extension and one 161.8 extension. Okay, and you see now it's starting to be a little bit more logical if this wave 3 will end a little bit higher, and this will be the sub-minor wave of this minor wave 4 retracement, and we are going to grind up here. Are we gonna grind up there with this wave 3? For now, you know, I just want to be more realistic and not be so crazy in my head to give you some impossible target. But this will be realistic for a wave 3. Now we have this wave 3 that will probably end there. Nice correlation that we have. We want to figure out where it's going to retrace. Okay. Most probable target always 0.382. Between $178 and $169. This zone here is the most probable zone for this wave 4 to retrace. Okay, and after that, we're gonna assume. I mean, after this retracement, we should push for the last wave to reach this target right here. Gonna put it a little bit bigger. All right. Sorry, there's a lot of line, I know, but just want you to understand the logic around all this, because we must understand that there is probabilities, but we need to find some correlation. Usually, it's always good to do that, because it gives more probability, more target probabilities for us. And if we bring this Fibos right here, we are starting to see another correlation right here. You see, and we are starting to see a correlation right here around 267. Sorry, yeah, not with this wave, with the orange wave, but there's a correlation here for the small one, but if we are looking on the main wave, the yellow one, for now, right here, there's a huge correlation upsides on the 361.8, which is a probable target. There is 3 probable target for main wave 3, and it's always 161.8, 261.8, and 361.8. Okay, now we are starting to, you know, just to build slowly information. We are trying to find targets with all the information that the waves are providing us, and it's important to do this. Okay, let's take out this yellow one for now. And let's play more short term. This way it will be more clear. I know it's not always easy to follow. And all right, we found a correlation around $208, 206, 208, which would probably end this minor wave 3 here. And after that, we should get a retracement of wave 4, and last push to find our 161 Fibonacci right here for this intermediate orange wave right there. Let's put it in bigger. All right. Okay. you need to understand that there is 3 possible target too for this one, which is for this wave 3 in orange. I'm gonna take this out for now. Let's lock the extension. Okay, let's put this in orange right now. Okay, we have this probability right there. We have the 312 probability too, and the 361.8 at $387. Those are the most probable target for this wave right here. And we are just starting to rise in it. And if we want to bring this intermediate wave higher, example here, we are probably gonna have to push this minor wave 3 very strongly, or create a new one wave like this. You understand? Even like that. Something like this. Gonna put it in another. No, let's put all right, this way. All right. What I want you to understand is that if it is a possible scenario too, that this was a minor wave, small wave, that can end here or a little higher. We don't know yet. There's not enough history right here, but it for sure this zone is going to provide us a resistance, and this zone is providing us resistance. Are we gonna make a new one wave inside this intermediate, a bigger one to push the price higher inside this intermediate? That's a possibility that we must be open to. But if this happen, we will need to see a retracement soon. I mean, I don't know if it already started or it will start a little bit higher, but it's a possibility because with a small wave 1 like this to provide you know, we're gonna have to provide at least 1 or 2 extension to push, because let's just want to show you again this minor wave here. You see, I don't see it right now. I don't see any with the price with this wave 1. I don't see that will be possible. We'll need to create a small wave 2 inside this wave 3, which is possible. I just show you the example a little bit before. All right, we have those probable target. Let's put this a little bit away for now. Okay, let's do it again with this main wave. And this one, we're gonna put it in a yellow. I'm redoing it because I don't think it was so clear how I bring it before. And I just want you to understand from the beginning, but this is not the good color. Okay, let's put it in yellow. Huge wave like this. Huge line, I mean. Okay. All right. even. We don't know yet for this wave 3. It's too early to say, but those are the most probable target. 253, 354, and 456. This is why I'm gonna put it this like this. Maybe you will see it a little bit better. Okay, those are the most probable targets for wave 3, main wave 3 from here. And like we just look at, we're trying to find some correlation, and now the 266 zone is bring many correlation here, and let's do it from the small wave right here. You see 267 for this one. I'm gonna put this one in this color. Okay, it's why I'm telling you that this zone here, there's a great correlation, and there's a huge correlation here. You see, you remember, we have the minor wave, the intermediate wave, and the main wave at 100. The minor wave is at 161.8 right here. Okay, this is where we stop. Okay, is this the end of wave 3? Like I said, it's a possibility, but I mean, if we are playing this right here and we're saying that this wave here in purple, I'm going to show you, is finishing up there. I'm going to put this in purple. It's a small wave. Smaller wave. Let's zoom inside. Okay, this wave 3 here, we see many correlation, which means it's possible that this was the end of wave 3 of this minor wave right there. It's possible. We already retrace here. I'm gonna show you on a lower time frame right there. We retrace up there. Okay, this will be right here, and this will be right there. This was a B wave from the sorry, it's pretty technical, but anyway, just showing this view. This is a probable scenario that they're trying to draw right now. I don't know if it's one thing that I see historically is that Elrond is making huge wave 5 even longer and stronger than wave 3. It's kind of strange, but I don't see this on a lot of assets. But it's the case for Elrond, for the Eagle, and it's why it's possible, you know, that we just shoot this wave 5 right there, and because if we are passing this new ATH, we're probably gonna push a little higher and retrace after that. This will end this wave 3 right there. You see, but personally, I think that there is a nice correlation up there, and it's why I don't think this minor wave is over, and even it's possible that we push higher and we make a wave 2, like I said before. But this is, for me personally, my preferred, my top scenario, my number one scenario for this wave 3 right there. It's why I would like to see it push to 230, 237, something like this. We'll see. We'll see. We never know. But after this wave 3, even if this wave 3 is finishing lower, it's going to finish lower. We're going to have some a continuation. We're going to see if we are retracing or if we continue to rise a little bit, and I will keep you updated. But now I see clearly a wave 2 right there. 3, maybe 4, 5. Is it over? Or we're going to go make a 1 to create a stronger minor wave, or the intermediate of this wave here. You know, this is probably more like a minor wave if it's already over, like this. It happens sometimes. We call this truncated wave 5, but it's pretty rare. But it happens sometimes inside minor wave or smaller wave. This means that wave 5 is not going to be able to push higher than wave 3. We call this a truncated wave 5. But like I said, doesn't happen, so it's pretty rare. Okay, let's play my scenario for now like this. Okay, we have this correlation, like I said here, between a probable wave 4 here, wave 3. Sorry, this will be wave 3. We'll have the wave 4, and after this we'll have the wave 5. Well, even maybe wave 3 is going to finish a little bit lower. We don't know. Anyway, okay, this is a probable target for now. We don't have any enough information to, but let's speculate right now. Where are we seeing the most correlation between all those waves? I see 290, 292. I see 456, 455 right there. Let's put a little line this way. We can write this down. Just a little under. See perfect correlation right here. And right there. And for sure, right here, like I told you before. And we have all this huge correlation here that we struggle with right now. You see, when these things happen, it gives a lot of resistance, and it's why we are struggling now. But maybe we're gonna be able to push over it right now. Let's see. Yeah, we are testing it again. If we are not able to push over this, it's not a problem. We're probably gonna just gonna retrace on a lower to create an intermediate wave 2, like I showed you before, and this can be just more bullish and give us more opportunity to reach with the intermediate wave in orange that I showed you before higher. This wave right there. It's hard to see right now, but I'm gonna put this in orange, and yeah, you see, if we are creating a wave 2 here, this will open doors to go higher. Maybe some people are thinking, oh no, Elrond is crashing, what's going on? But Elrond is just retracing a wave 2, an intermediate wave 2 of this one that is just going to be bigger. It's why people should not, worry right now and start to sell. And if Bitcoin is crashing, maybe you should ask yourself, if Bitcoin is crashing, maybe I'm gonna sell, to protect my liquidity. But anyway, correlation, and we have this correlation right here at 759. And this is cool because it's a correlation in between. This is very high. I mean, we're going to have to make some extension to reach there. But Elrond made a lot of extension in the first cycle wave. I'm playing, I'm showing you a realistic scenario right now. But if Bitcoin is pumping in a fifth wave and going to 90,000 or 100,000 or 125,000, why Elrond cannot reach the zone here? I see this is a possibility. It's probably we are almost at 200 right now. It's almost a little bit more than 3 times the price that we have right now, 3 times the market cap. It's possible, but I think this zone is probably more realistic, around 456. But short term, my preferred zone is right there. It's the 265 correlation of this minor wave that is currently rising, and also a correlation with the 200 on the intermediate wave. And you must know, I'm not putting this in orange, but 200 of Fibonacci is a probable target for an intermediate, and is also a probable target sometimes that we see on main wave. But I'm always showing you the most probable scenario, and here I see a great correlation, some resistance, and here right here too. For now, anyway, it can change. It can change tomorrow, but for now, I love those price right here: 290, 269, 266, 206. And for sure, now we're trying to push over the resistance right now. Are we over it? I think we are over it. We need to push higher than this. We are struggling in that zone, and it seems that Elrond want to go there. Want to test again. All right, that's cool. Nothing is so bearish right now for Elrond at the moment. Bearish scenario. Just want to go back on this. We must understand that we are in a rising channel, and there was some resistance on the midline. We see here, we see here, we see there. Let's go on the 4 hours, but we always must understand that rising channel always providing resistance on top 2, which is now around, if we push there today, 201. If we push there, example, Sunday, target will be around 207. Okay, it's always some retracement, and sometimes it's coming in an uptrend like this. When we confirm and we close a couple of candles over the midline, we always are gonna come back and try to test the midline. To forget about this midline, we need to push over the roof of this channel, ascending channel, and confirm him confirm it as support. Like I said, big struggle here on the 0.85. Bearish scenario. Okay. Those fibs, everyone must know that those fibs are resistance. Okay. Yesterday, one of my friends asked me to take a look at the AVE chart. AVE. Probably some people know this one here. And what I don't like too much about this chart here, it's looks like some things that I see and that I saw in 2018, which is just gonna show you. Maybe I could find it. Acheter l'onglet. Okay. You see? Hope you see well this. It's probably a little bit small, but can I push this? Yeah. It starting to look a little bit like this for me. Probably are in a complete complacency zone. We just need to cool off for the next rally. This is what people are thinking about. And we had a big push, and what I did yesterday is I took this chart and I bring this chart on Photoshop, and I put the AVE chart, and it it was so identical. The AVE chart is here, but if you put it on the weekly like this, it's for me it's starting to look like this, and I start to see this in a lot of chart. It is why I'm a little bit concerned. For now, for Elrond, it's a little bit different because we are grinding at higher, and we retrace much more. AVE didn't retrace as much as Elrond did. It's why, market makers, if they decide to, if they play the card and they are saying that this is a wave 4 and this was a wave 5, and now this was a cycle 1, and we're gonna retrace in a cycle 2, but we're gonna bring them in a bear market for AVE, and we're gonna push the price on the golden pocket. Just want to see to show you this. For now, we didn't retrace on the golden pocket here. And what I didn't like about AVE is that the second wave was not so strong. We have this intermediate here, but I don't like this chart so much. But usually, it's starting to look like this a little bit too much. And yes, for sure. Usually, when we see those kind of falling wedge, but even that, I'm not able to draw a falling wedge inside this right now. No. If if I was going, if you will ask me which are my preferred zone to buy AVE, I will tell you to buy here, and here. This will be my 3 preferred target, because I think that Have, they're gonna bring Have in a second wave right now, which they had not done yet. But another scenario for Have, sorry to talk to you about Have, because I'm seeing this chart all over the place, those kind of W, and price is not able to even test the neckline of the W right here. You see this W? I mean, I don't have to draw, but this is a W. Usually it's a bullish pattern, but you need to test the neckline first. And right now I don't see this for AVE. It's why 255, 165, 131 will be some place to put entries or stop limit orders if you want, or limit orders. Now, if they decide to play, market makers decide to play a wave 4 for AVE right here, it's probably an ABCDE that we have right now. ABCDE. It can be done. It's probable. But you know, when you see those kind of patterns, sometimes it can turn in WXY or, but anyway, I mean, it seems like a consolidation right now, but it can, you know, if you take at this chart, it can turn out to be a second wave. Let's see. I found another chart yesterday, and we were I was able to see this W line. Right there. Just, can I put this bigger? Maybe you see it. You see, it's playing many W's, W, and but we are not able to beat the neckline. And after this, woo, anxiety, Daniel, panic, and you know, you must to be careful here, but because AVE and Elrond look like a lot like this, and on this side here, Elrond is looking much more bullish than AVE right now because of many things: DeFi 2.1, staking 3.0, everything. Elrond doesn't stop to bring us new content, and wow, it's one of the best crypto project that I've seen since I'm following crypto. But we must keep in mind that this is a possibility, that always stay open to both scenarios. It's very important to do this. Yes, it's great to take a look at the bullish scenario, but always stay open for the bear scenario. If we are going to see a bearish scenario for Elrond and a C wave from here, where are the target? We're going to take the top, bottom right here, and if this is the top, even if we don't know it right now, but this will be a top on the 0.85, which is the best spot for a B wave. It's why I'm saying this. It's now it's testing the 0.85 for the third time. Are we gonna be able to push over? If we don't push over, you know, and Bitcoin is starting to crash, maybe we should ask us some question about the crypto market. Also, I want to show you something about the stock market, the SPX, because we are on the top of the roof right now, and it's just want to be realistic with you guys, and bring you a different avenue. Okay, like you see, this is the 0.85. I'm gonna turn this again, and now we are struggling with the 0.85 fib, which is usually the best spot to hand a B wave like this. A, B, and C there. I know probably you don't like this scenario, but just just doing this, if you see that Elrond is struggling and it is not going higher, and Bitcoin is starting to be bearish, and I know that we have some signs right now that Bitcoin wants to take a break a little bit and refresh. I'm gonna show you why. Sorry if my video are long, but I just want to show you every perspective. And this is a possibility for a C wave 101, and this is a possibility for a C wave 2, $43, $44, and this is another possibility too, but 123. But our this will be a bear market or something like this, and but for me, the 101 will be maybe more realistic. In that case, we'll make a hem, but we are not seeing this right now, not at all. But keep your eyes open for this possibility for Elrond. And Ave, like I said, don't like too much the chart right now, but it's possible that this wave can end with an ABCDE right now or soon. If we take a look at the destination for Ave right here, sorry. Okay. The wave E should probably end here at 324.90. They usually do that, 61.8 on everyone. Maybe it will go around specifically on ABCD and analyze this, but they are usually wave 4 pattern, all the time wave 4 pattern. Sometimes it happens on on wave 2. It's something that we see during the consolidation, but here, I don't think we are in a wave 2. We didn't retrace enough for me for Ave. Like I showed you before, I'm not so happy about this chart right now, but it's possible that if we go at 323, this will be the end of the wave 4, and after this we will grind in another wave 5 for Ave. Anyway, now it seems that we are pushing much higher for Elrond. We are close to retest the 0.85 right here. We are live right now. This is so funny. And we are we gonna see another rejection or are we gonna blast through? We need to break over the 0.8 fib. We need this. For now, it looks again like a rejection, but let's see. If we can go over this and confirm this zone, this 0.5 as support, I don't think we will have any more problems to go higher and make a new ATH. But this 0.85 is the perfect the perfect target for a B wave. Anyway, let's see what Elrond's gonna do with all this. This was the bearish scenario. Okay, if we are going to make a retracement from here, let's bring back the bullish scenario again. Okay, I told you that it's possible that we are gonna make a new wave one, a bigger wave one, and we will retrace here. Okay, it can be here, or I'm gonna show you the possible target, but this will be an intermediate of the intermediate wave. This will be a new one, and this, like, I just want to tell you that this would be more bullish than not if we are doing this. Okay, that we had the color orange before, and now this will be a new intermediate wave, and this is more like a minor wave. I told you in purple before but when we start to see those kind of patterns, and are we seeing a bearish divergence here? It's a minor wave, you know. It's hard to see on smaller time frame and all that, but we need to know that. Let's find a support zone to buy Elrond if this scenario will play right now. I'm having so much trouble to talk in English today. My brain is on a French mode. Sorry for this. Hey guys. Still pushing. Wow, this is cool. Okay. Scenario that we are making here is that we are not able to go over the 0.85 fib, which we are struggling right now, and this can be a B wave on a bigger B wave of a new ABC wave. And but if we go through, this is the end. My scenario is not gonna work here, but we just want to make it right now. Best probables target for a wave 2 are for me, by experience, the golden pocket right here, and this zone and this zone here, 127, 132, 146, and sometime intermediate, we see this sometimes intermediate wave like this are playing a second wave on the 0.5, but in that case wave 4 will be a little bit stronger, and sometimes we see wave 2 going to 0.382, but be prepared because wave 4 is going to be very strong in that case. It's why 155, 146, 132, 127, good target for this. But for sure, golden pocket for me is always the place where I will put more liquidity. Little percentage on the 0.5, the bigger percentage of your liquidity on the golden pocket, and you can keep a percentage in that zone. And sometimes we see this in cryptocurrencies, they almost wave 2 are almost retracing on the bottom. Full retracement will be here, but they just stopped just before. It's why, you know, but those are the most probable target that I'm giving you for a wave 2 right now. And the golden pocket always have more liquidities than others. We saw that here where we retrace. Let's find a target just to show you what Elrond was able to retrace on a second wave right here. You see golden pocket. Wow, this was golden pocket. This was strange the way I told this. It was almost a French words. A French word. You see a block by the, this was a wave 2, our main wave 2, and we stop on the golden pocket. This was a wave 2. Let's find out where we retrace. Golden pocket 2. You see, right there. Golden pocket, golden pocket. Elrond is always finding support on the golden pocket. Why this will change here can change if we are making a C wave or but I just see a C wave scenario, a very bearish scenario if Bitcoin is over. I mean, if Bitcoin is crashing or retracing to 43K or 30K, you know, something like this, it's possible that we're gonna fall lower to create a bigger wave 1, you know, like this, and maybe come back around this zone right there on the midline of the logarithmic rising channel that I show you sometimes. But this is it. I think you see that the golden pocket is very important on every retracement for Elrond. It's always for Bitcoin too the best place to put your entries, and it's so easy. If you want to do this, put your Fibo here, take your Fibonacci, and you take the highest point and the lowest, and the Fibo is going to do the job for you, and it's going to tell you where is the golden pocket. Golden pocket was right there, even if I'm not perfect here. Golden pocket right there was tested 4 times. This was close to reach the 0.786, but the support was too strong. Anyway, you understand what I mean, guys. Let's figure out on the logarithmic channel right now what's going on. I'm gonna take a chart with more historic. I did that a couple of times for you. This is logarithmic ascending channel that we are right now for Elrond. Yeah. We saw resistance up there, here. I'm just gonna go over this very quickly because I did that many times, but just wanna give you a perspective for the people that are new on this channel. And if you can push on the like button and leave me a comment, it's so appreciated. My channel is brand new and I just wanna bring you more and more contents, but this is not my primary job. I used to be a web designer. I make publicity for television. I'm an expert in SEO too. I do different kind of things, but this is a passion for me. It's why I like to bring you some updates on my channel sometimes. Top ear, and top there. Okay. Mid neckline was right ear, and we must understand that this is support right now. And it's not a small support. We test this neckline a couple of times, and we close a couple of candles over for now, which bring which reinforce the support on the neckline right here if one day we want to retest it. But I just want to show you the big picture. Right now, to tell you the truth, it's different than here. Because here we were not able to see any W. Now it's a real W with a consolidation and a breakout of the neckline. It's why I'm telling you that Elrond is bullish right now. Doesn't look bearish at all for now. Also, keep in mind that we are in a kind of rising channel, rising wedge right now, and I'm going to show you which can be break, and we can make an ascending channel with this. But yesterday when I checked, it was a rising wedge. Okay, what is the top from here right now? If we're gonna retest, it's 400, 422. More we spend sometimes around talking, and more we are gonna be able to test the top of the roof right here. But sometimes not market makers, but swing traders are not always stupid, and they're gonna play a safeguard, and they're gonna try to exit before. It's why you see this week never touch the roof. You want to place an exit order if the price is pushed like crazy. 349, 363, around the zone. You will not be disappointed. Let's take a look here. You see on the Egold USD, it's not different. This cannot be a wave 2. This only can be a wave 1 here, 0, 1, 2. It's why it's a little bit strange for me. But anyway, this time it happens because they take the average of every BUSD, USDT chart, everything that the Elrond is traded with, and they make an approximation. And right here on the log chart, we see 312 on the 161 for that. This will be a great exit target if you want to, try to catch a wick, or this would be a great place to do it. Let's come back here. Just want to show you. Don't know if it's still the case, but yesterday I was able to draw a rising wedge. Now it looks much more like a rising channel. Let's see. Yeah. This push that we made around around $200. Yeah. Okay. Is showing us the that we are in a rising channel, but we must break this 0.85 fib and the midline of this channel right here. Let's see if I take the Egold USD on Binance USDT. On what do we have the same result? Let's place this correctly. Yeah, but on the USDT chart, it looks more that we are over the midline, which we were not able to figure out. We were under the midline on the Egold USD chart. But this means that it will be very possible that we are gonna test again this top of the channel around 204 if we go straight there. And you see, more we wait, more we are able to reach a different target. But I like to do this. This is looking good, really. If we want to do candle reading on the monthly doesn't show anything bearish right now. Nothing at all bearish. On the 2 week, nothing at all bearish. On the weekly, nothing at all bearish. 10 days, lower zone. Okay. Everything is looking pretty good right now. We made on the daily a double top. We made a double bottom right here. And now we are rising over and closing in 3 hours, 49 minutes. But it's looking pretty bullish right now. And I think, I don't know if we're gonna get this rejection from the 0.85 now, but it's look like we are now breaking through the other side. Break on through to the other side. Jim Morrison, I love so much this guy. I mean, this is music. Let's see, but on the daily, we have a clean view of this retest right now. We are retesting this fib for the 3rd times. And are we going to get another rejection? We'll see later. We don't know. We don't know, guys. We don't know yet. What I can say, it's pretty clear that we are on top of the daily Bollinger Band because we are pushing it. But if we can close over it and use it as a support, it will be awesome. On the weekly, there is we're gonna find big resistance around 212 with the Bollinger Band here. Keep this in mind. And even better than the Bollinger Band, we have the Dungeon channel that I love a lot, that I like a lot. This is showing us a clear view of the top right here, which would be 216. Yeah, 216. On the monthly, there's nothing yet. On the 10-day, 216, same stuff. 216. And now we are trying to push this dungeon top roof a little bit. But always keep in mind that when it's strongly rejected, we love to come retest the midline, at least the midline. And if we are about to make a wave 1 and we push here, even at on this target right there, which is 216, the last up, and I mean, wow, Elrond is bullish right now. Will be great if we can, you know, push the price much higher. Right now we are leaving the EMA ribbon. Just gonna put my anyway. I'm so I look in the dark. Maybe my hat. All right. Yeah. We don't see my face. The EMA ribbon is starting to be lower. All DMA move. You must know that exponential moving average are much more are quick and much more fast moving average than standard moving average. The standard moving average are here right now on the daily. Let's take out the MA ribbon. And like I told you, when this crossed in yellow, the MA7 over the MA9 in red, this was a place to get in. When you see that we are closing a candle over it and we are confirming this moving average as a support, it's a great time to get in. And but sometimes we can get some fake out, but anyway, I mean, it's much more. I mean, I really there less noise on moving average than exponential moving average. It's why it's always better to play with moving average, and you know, this moving average 21 in green here is one of the most important, which is around 152 right now. For me, doesn't matter if we are taking our time to break out here and make a new ATH, but because I would like those moving average to stay as dynamic support. And usually on the daily, we're gonna find some very good support on the MA7 and MA9, which are at 176 and 172. But you must understand that those always good, very good target to place orders, but they are moving. Is it why we are using Fibonacci to place our entries? Because usually wick will touch fibs, even if there is support on the moving average. And the MA50 is right here at 142. We test it here. We're not able to have support there. This was the reason why we did that is that we had to retrace a wave 2, and this was not enough right there. Was not wave 2 are usually much more stronger, like we saw here. And I mean, Elrond needs to take his time, no rush. Great price right now, 193. We're still dealing with this 0.85 fib, like I showed you before. We're struggling right there. You see, we're not able to push this over 194.28. But if you see tonight or tomorrow morning that we are at 197, 198, this will be very cool. And if we can close a couple of 4 hours candle over this 0.85, I will be so happy. I mean, for Elrond, for the Elrond hodlers. And I hold some Egold too. It's why I will be happy to if this happen. You see here, we're kind of if we take this path right there and this path right there, this is what I want to show you. This is a possible rising wedge. This rising wedge will be at a maximum of around 210 and the 15th of April. Yeah, exactly. And usually those rising wedge, if we are not able to push the price to create a new rising channel, but I mean now it can be like this. I show you they always play bold cards, and I think they're playing bold cards right now because they don't know what's going on with BTC. BTC USD, let's go check the Bitcoin. Why? Let's go on Brave New Coin, BLX, which have all the historic. Okay. One thing that I don't like right now, Bitcoin is, I mean, it's too early, but it's closing in 21 days on the monthly chart, but Bitcoin is creating a double top. Is forming a double top. Bitcoin is drawing a double top right here. You see body close, same place, but this candle is not closed. That's why it's too early, but it's the first time since we are here that I'm seeing displaying usually it was the inverse. It was always pushing a little bit over, and but now maybe Bitcoin wants to cool off a little bit. And if we confirm this in 21 days, get ready. I'm telling you, there is two possibility that we have the possibility that that he's gonna even close here or close here or close here and make a double top and create a new double bottom right after. Or but usually in the past I never saw that happening. When you see a double top confirm on Bitcoin, it's because it's the time to retrace. And I see that pi cycle is crossing, which usually mean that the bull market is over, but it's another indicator. But historically, the P cycle was right. But you know, can change, and we never know. It's only an indicator. This head too can be like a triangle right here. Triangle. But what I show you before that I didn't like so much on the chart is that we had two double bearish divergence in a row for Bitcoin, which was a little bit strange for me because we had this huge one right there. You see, like this. Let's take this out. And we add this one right here. Like this. And I'm gonna take this out. Okay, top. Which mean for me, technically, that it's possible that we end two wave 5 in a row. In a row. I didn't count all the waves right now, but let's figure out just quickly for fun if we can find some correlation with the extension FIBO if we start from here, which was the bottom of the bear market, the top of the wave 1, and the bottom of wave 2 here, and in log mode, let's be sure that we are on it. Yeah, it's something like this, and like this, and right there. Okay, we have a better picture here, and you see what I don't like too, all this bearish divergence right there, and the price is rising, but the RSI is falling, which usually doesn't mean that great news are coming for BTC. We saw this year, you see, price was rising here, but the RSI was still not giving so much information. Here we had this bearish divergence there, and on this top right here, bearish divergence too, because look, top here. No, sorry, right there was no bearish divergence. I thought that maybe, but let's see. Yeah. From ear to ear, the price rise, and from ear to ear, the RSI fall. This is usually not good. Keep this in mind. And if you are learning Elliott waves too, you must understand that those bearish divergence usually mean that the wave 5, that we are on a fifth wave, on a wave 5 or fifth wave. Sorry. Anyway, that's cool. I think you have a great picture here. I'm not so happy about what's going on with Bitcoin right now. And if we were able to break this W neckline here, the last ATH, but we are not able to do that. And we are in some kind of rising wedge too. You know, this is a rising wedge. And yeah, I'm in logarithm mode. Logarithm mode usually it's doesn't look so good for Bitcoin. I will be a little bit. If you are a hodler on Bitcoin, I will be careful and protect my liquidity. For now. Also, I just want to finish like this, guys. This was a long video. Damn, sorry. I hope not such a pain. I have so much problem to talk in English today. Just want to show you the SPX on the stock market. Okay. I'm taking a look at this chart sometimes because it tells a lot of things. This is definitely not confirmed, this rising channel right here. But anyway, you must understand that since what happened with COVID-19 right here in March, we created a rising channel, a new logarithmic rising channel, and now we are on the roof of it. I mean, let's take all the points together, but we are very close to be on the roof of it. I'm gonna try to be very specific on this, but let's try to find all the top, to get all the top. Okay. And here, those 2 points, I'm on the monthly chart now, it doesn't lie. If I'm going on the weekly, we see, we can figure out that the resistance is pretty strong up here, and support there, and the midline is giving us a clear view of the support right here. And for me to be here right now, I don't think it's such a great news, but our great news will be to break this floor and make a new a breakout of this roof right here and confirm this roof as a support. But is it gonna happen? This is the short-term trend since March 2. And it's why if you are in the stock market right now, I mean, be wise, protect your liquidity. You're gonna be able to buy lower for sure. There are a lot of sellers right there that we don't see here graphically, but many sellers up there, and you must be careful with this. For sure, we're gonna get some resistance up there. If we take the Bollinger Band right here, yeah, we are starting to try to push the roof of the Bollinger Band too, and it's gonna start to be a little bit tough for us. I'm telling you, if it's not tomorrow or no, not tomorrow, but Monday maybe. Watch this. I'm telling you, or this is maybe everything is. Maybe we're gonna have some great news, and wow, the market will explode over this roof next week. But usually, I'm not getting inside the market at this point. I'm quitting the market before those resistance. And if we confirm over after that, even if we confirm over, I will wait for many confirmation because it can be like a fake out too. Everyone is coming back on the market because what happened? It's bullish. It's going crazy. Yeah. But after that, they take all the new liquidity and they flush you, and they're gone. And at the same time, they push the cryptocurrency market down, and they have all this liquidity to buy altcoins like Egold or Kusama. Oh, one last thing, guys. Just want to show you this new T-shirt that I will ship. That I will ship. It's free shipping, but it's a limited edition. It's a black T-shirt. If you wanna give me some help and encourage the channel, I'm taking orders for this beautiful black T-shirt of Kusama that will be shipped June 29. If you like, come on my site and buy one. I already I didn't make any promotion yet, but we already received some orders, and shipping June 29. Kusama. Hope you guys enjoy a lot, and I'm gonna finish this with wow, because I think we broke this 0.85 fib right there. Yeah. Nothing is closed yet. But if we can at least close this candle over, and on the 1 hour after that, on the 4 hour, I would like to see some candle close over this 0.85, but this is looking very bullish, guys. Hope you enjoy my channel. Push on the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know which asset you would like me to watch this weekend. I'm planning to make 2, 3, 4 videos on different assets. And thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for everything. I wish you a wonderful night, Friday night. Are we Friday? Yeah, we are Friday. Have a nice weekend. Guys, sorry for my English today. I was the worst one.